G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another unboxing video for you and it's once again from Stirling engine kits. And you may have seen previously on one of my other videos that they sent me a little steam engine which I reviewed. But today we're going to be reviewing this beautiful little hit and miss engine. Now, the video I previously recorded was this little steam engine kit here. And it was a beauty. It was a kit that you had to assemble. However, I believe this one, the hit and miss motor, is already assembled for you. This one ran on alcohol and boiled water to produce the steam to make the little double actuating cylinder steam engine run. This one, the new one, runs on gasoline or standard unleaded petrol, I should say. So let's have a look at the box, guys. Once again, thank you to Roberta for sending this across to me. So it's called here an Oak Mo and Retro throttle regulated gasoline engine model, model Z01. Apparently it is ready to run. The cylinder diameter is 16 millimeters and the stroke is 19 millimeters. We'll work out the mass later to tell you what that is in cubic centimeters. It is a water-cooled engine. You can start it, I believe, manually, probably there might pull cord or with a drill startup. It has a mechanical ignition, so I'm not too sure what they mean by about that, but anyway. The spark plug is a British standard threaded spark plug, 3/16 by 40. The fuel they're specifying is 95 and above, so to me that's standard unleaded petrol here in Australia. It requires one AA battery, which is not included. They're stating on the box that the weight of this engine is about 1.7 kilograms and it's 257 by 120 by 130 millimeters in measurements. So let's open it up and take a squizzy at it, guys. So it looks like we have some instructions here. We've got an after sales service card which you can read and submit some information on. Looks like we've got some spare O-rings here. Now they're probably piston rings, I'm not sure. Some little model engines, they don't actually run a piston ring, they might run an O-ring, but look, I don't know, I may be incorrect, or this is a O-ring for something else, I'm not too sure. Anyway, we can check that in the instructions. Let's take the lid off it. Hey, wow, that's rather sexy at first impressions. Let's pull it out of the box. Right, so jammed in here. Oh, look at that. I'll put that back in the box here. Wow, that is a rather sexy little engine if you ask me. Wow. I'm sort of a little bit, to me I thought it would be an assembly task. I actually enjoy the assembly process as well. But hey, for some of those people that don't want to go through that trouble, they can just simply, you know, put it together and run it. I tell you what, it's rather beautiful, to be honest with you. So I'll try and give you my honest opinion as I review it. All right, let's read some of the instructions and get a little bit more into it. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the unboxing video for the little hit and miss engine. Now, my thoughts and what do I actually think about the model. To be quite honest with you, I think it's an excellent little model. And I'm not just saying that because I received it for free. It's if you're a machinist like myself and you make model engines for a hobby, if you've looked at any of my other videos, you'll notice that I fly radio control helicopters. I've made wobbler engines, small, large. I've made a Frankenstein engine, and I'm currently working on a 4-stroke engine myself. They're a lot of work, and there are a lot of machining and a lot of blood, sweat and tears that go into them. So if you love model engineering, these Stirling kits are for you. As I was saying at the start of the video, I reviewed their little steam engine about a month ago, and I'll put a link to these videos in the description area. But if you don't have the time to machine, or you don't have the setup like I have to make your own engines, these kits are the way to go. You saw it straight out of the box. All I had to do was add oil, water and fuel, and it was off and racing. I'm not sure the value, how much they are. I won't stipulate the cost here in the video because prices vary. I live in Melbourne, Australia, so our Australian dollar is very weak to the US dollar, and so depending on which country, and will probably determine what actually is the price that you pay for this. Guys, I'll put the link for this model down in the description. I'll have a discount code there in the description. If you use that, you'll get some money off the price, so please use the discount code. And like I said, this is not a sponsored video. They did provide this to review free of charge, and I love it, absolutely love it. I think it's a great little model engine, and it's going to go really well on my trophy shelf alongside my little steam engine here as well. All right. So once again, I want to thank Stirling Kit for the opportunity to review this, and Roberta, thank you so much again for having trust and faith in me to show your product here on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, Happy New Year, and I look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos. Bye-bye for now.